Sorkar TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kyntait ki bapas ke admission ke lapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kod bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na benda ka NEET.
Usimbon Menteri Rangba Kejala uba kami katana District Council Affairs uba Preston Tynsong ula Kyntait ki jingkno jong Chief Executive Member ka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council uba Winston Tony Lingdo baka Sorkar jala ka bat ka Pisa ka balatmu ban pelan na kabenta ki Autonomous District Council da ka baong ba baro ki jingsiu Haduh banai Lber arjara punrio Ladep ban siu pendep uba Tynsong ulaong baki lai tili ki District Council ki deban sngowo ya ka Sorkar ka bala pelat ya ka Pisa Haduh Lber arjara punrio bat kumba kalong menta kamdon syu kanu ka Pisa ka badangsa.
I think all the three district councils, they should appreciate one thing, that the government sometimes, though the share system that they have is not there, but there are instances where we even release it in advance as advance installment to the concerned respective district council. So when you talk about KHDC, let me tell you one thing. I think up to March 2026, we have cleared everything about their dues. So I don't see that we have any outstanding in.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.